Welcome to Vienna Hauptbahnhof, the heart of Austria's railway network. Opened in 2014, this state-of-the-art hub connects Vienna to destinations across Austria and beyond. Enter the station through the main entrance and step into a modern, spacious terminal designed for smooth and efficient travel. With over 1,000 trains passing through daily, checking real-time departure updates on digital screens is the best way to stay on track. If you need tickets, book your train tickets easily at Rail Ninja for a smooth and hassle-free journey. For personal assistance, visit the Vienna Hauptbahnhof info point. Navigating the station is effortless, thanks to escalators and lifts providing quick access between floors. Follow the clear signage to reach your platform, whether you're catching a high-speed OBB railjet, an ICE, or a nightjet. Travel light and store your belongings safely. Lockers are available starting at just $3 for 24 hours. Clean and well-maintained restrooms can be found on every level. The station offers a lot of restaurants and cafes, serving everything from traditional Austrian cuisine to international flavors. Explore a variety of stores for travel essentials, souvenirs, books, and even fashion. ATMs are located throughout the station, ensuring you always have access to cash when you need it. Whether you're traveling across Austria or embarking on a European adventure, Vienna Hauptbahnhof makes your journey smooth and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. Book your train tickets today at Rail Ninja and travel with ease.